Good afternoon, everyone. This is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston, and with the help of Dots and Geist, we are going to showcase this Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. The boat is packaged with this tandem trailer, which also includes a swing-away tongue. The boat is an extremely dry running boat. We'll get in just over a foot of water, so for you shallow water fishing guys, this is a great platform to do so. And as Dotson moves forward on the boat, you're going to see how much casting deck area that the boat has that is recessed, as well as up on top that he can actually cast a net, fishing line. You can walk the surface like many of the bay boats and flats boats that are out there. The boat also includes the trolling motor plug, so you can put a trolling motor on the front of the boat to help you navigate around in the flats. Boat has a dedicated anchor locker up front, very easy to take care of and clean, as well as a large fish box, or you can use it for storage if you're not fishing. It does have a cooler seat with the cushion and backrest, as well as this boat is equipped with the pump out porta potty, so you can actually take it right into a marina and have them handle all of the pump out duties. The reversible helm seat on this boat, you can sit and face rear as Dotson is showing it now, and then you also have a large storage area underneath, which is a great place to put your dock lines and fenders. We also have an additional cooler that is on a slide out tray. Just makes it easy. You can put food and drinks in one, as well as maybe using the other for fish to carry off the boat. We also have the live well option on this boat. It is a lighted live well, and you also have, we put the option on here with the corner seats with the backrest. If you do not want those in place for a hardcore fishing day, the backrest and cushion simply remove, as you see here. Very easy, and we can strip the boat down clean. This particular boat is equipped with the Mercury FourStroke 150, which puts the boat on plane quickly. The boat runs dry, handles and turns well. We also have the rocket launchers on the back of the T-top, as well as the two-color lighting system up in the roof with the red or the white light. The red light is just going to have less glare for nighttime boating. Thank you guys for looking at this boat. Please give us a call at 843-747-1889 with any questions. Thanks.